Understanding Emile Durkheim's theory of social solidarity. Emile Durkheim, a prominent sociologist and one of the founding figures of modern sociology, developed a theory of social solidarity to explore the dynamics that bind individuals together in society. His theory offers valuable insights into the mechanisms underlying social cohesion and the stability of society. In this article, we will delve into Durkheim's theory of social solidarity, its key concepts, and its implications for understanding human interactions within communities. Background: Emile Durkheim was deeply concerned with the changing nature of social relations and the consequences of societal transformations during the Industrial Revolution. He believed that traditional forms of social cohesion were eroding, leading to a sense of anomie and societal breakdown. In response to these challenges, Durkheim developed his theory of social solidarity to explain how societies maintain stability and prevent disintegration. Types of social solidarity. Durkheim identified two primary types of social solidarity that characterize different types of society: mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity. Mechanical solidarity. Mechanical solidarity refers to social cohesion based on shared beliefs, values, and common practices prevalent in traditional, pre-industrial societies. In these societies, individuals have similar roles, lifestyles, and collective consciousness. They are tightly integrated and bound by a strong sense of collective identity, which is reinforced through common rituals, traditions, and religious beliefs. Punishments for deviance are often severe, as they are seen as a threat to the shared moral order. Organic solidarity. In contrast, organic solidarity characterizes modern, industrial societies. These societies are marked by a division of labor, specialization, and interdependence among individuals. Social cohesion is based on the mutual dependence of different individuals and their roles in the complex web of societal functioning. People are connected through economic interdependencies and the exchange of goods and services. Law and punishment, in organic solidarity, are less focused on maintaining moral order and more on restoring social balance and repairing social ties. Factors influencing social solidarity. Durkheim emphasized several factors that influence the strength of social solidarity within a society. Social integration. Social integration refers to the degree to which individuals are connected to and integrated into their community. The more individuals are connected and engaged with others, the stronger the social solidarity. Strong social ties foster a sense of belonging, mutual support, and shared values. Collective consciousness. Collective consciousness represents the shared beliefs, values, norms, and knowledge that exist within a society. It is formed through socialization and is reinforced by various social institutions, such as religion, education, and family. The collective consciousness acts as a moral framework that guides individual behavior and fosters social cohesion. Division of labor. The division of labor refers to the specialization and differentiation of roles within society. As societies evolve, they become more complex, leading to a greater division of labor. This interdependence creates a sense of solidarity as people rely on each other to fulfill their needs and maintain societal functioning. Conclusion. Emile Durkheim's theory of social solidarity provides a framework for understanding the cohesive forces that bind individuals together within society. By distinguishing between mechanical and organic solidarity, Durkheim shed light on the changing dynamics of social cohesion in the transition from traditional to modern societies. Understanding the factors that influence social solidarity can help us comprehend the challenges and opportunities faced by contemporary societies and explore strategies to foster social integration, collective consciousness, and harmonious coexistence.